Uh, this is his, the popular his stepmother. Say hello.
Hello.
So now remember, say I thought say driver when they drive my ex-wife. Say see wetin the driver talk and still they expect today. Now say if I come back for abroad, I go call am make come tell me face to face. So the woman when be wife, now he tell. I don't want to talk with mama, she will talk. And so the woman now come report to my ex, say, see waiting when they quarrel show, when they don't start to quarrel, because say, see waiting in talk. Because the man say can't talk something against this woman here. Now this woman converse, if that is the case, waiting you tell me about madam. I want to go tell madam. So I want to make she by herself talk waiting with the talk.
Now, Happy New Year. So, me, I would say, Baba is we get misunderstanding. And the way I no expect when I know if you do at all, because he don't talk and say he go use mouth to take disgrace me, talk with you, I know. So as he call tell me, now for them me I cut us. You know, say me I never know mommy before. Now you know as everywhere be, I don't know yet. So now he call tell me say now she they drive mommy for everywhere where they go. We go for a boyfriend place, now he they drive her.
I want you to repeat that one, even to where?
To a boyfriend place, say na dey drive am go hospital, na dey carry am go for where they take another man sperm put for ego so that he make it get pikin. That's why I say as e be say you sef you talk wetin I no know. That's why myself I come tell that one. That very day when me I had the quarrel, what would do for mommy place here. So the today.
So in the time when he tell you saying they carry my wife go boyfriend place, una dey quarrel that time.
That time we know that time when we no even quarrel because we just know. Okay. Now he tell me the matter. So as he be say come talk my own, now where I no know, say I dey go Abanis, they do this one because the head over is to me. He say money, say when they say they won't give me, I won't use I go do something. Now because I say waiting I no know, you lie against me, waiting you self talk against mommy, me self I go talk. That's why I talk like that.
He say now in they carry mommy go.
Boyfriend place, say anywhere where they go, now she they carry.
Okay. So say the spam, how you talk of the spam?
He say that they carry another man spam put for mommy body so that he make it get picky.
So now those two things seen talk for inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We are still expecting the man. Waiting the man tell me when I call him for phone. First of say he drive go Abuja, he will come before New Year. So after he come, he come to say if he get more to talk, if only I will feel protect him. So if I promise him, say I will feel protect him, he even get many things when he know when he will talk. That many things, or only this one, whether he like or not, he must talk. Yeah, that is the information. If he say na lie, na problem, except na true. And so he never corner. I'm not sure say in the wrong because he not feel wrong go anywhere. This woman not get any issue. Now waiting then tell her, and the day when tell her, you say na no quarrel. So as they not they quarrel, na normal discussion you discuss with the woman. So not be say I get what I want to use that woman do, but even though it don't reach 100 years when we come out, any atrocity when you do, when my diary day her head, I will tell the public. You say now, I not hide her face. I be not be your real face with this. Now waiting they tell you now you. Oh, okay. Thank you. I have posted one video now. Some people the comment there is not too clear. But make una remember say if person challenge you, say you in the carry you go boyfriend house, your driver, and he talk can for your present, these two people there, you must say, hey, come show me, oh, you want spoil my name, oh. This thing they say it in the presence of my ex. Two of them drag themselves to her. They talk and say, hey, no be you tell me say madam get boyfriend, they carry and go boyfriend house. No be you tell me say they look for who want give and spoil take get picking. Why you not argue with them? Now let me come talk on CCTV camera, say make una wait until I come back. That harsh woman not holding driver say why must you lie against me? So I will do it in a way when be say she go come sue the driver to Ayelala to make all of na go swear. Not be caught, will swan. Even though I know they marry am again, any atrocity when you do the time they with me, I will make sure say she go in for it. Tomasi Kape, I'm going off. I say una go tire. People when they side my ass, then go tire because they will so cost me so they will tire. They will too hate me so they then go tire. Me I no go tire. I get many to break. After I don't tire, say this man we don't drive and enter, so we don't want now. Say na useless man not dey talk. Now come see gangan. Una go watch so till una go tire. This is just the beginning. Shebi una say make I enter house. Now no say driver how I dey prepare that one. Because the driver me too on my way I go arrest him. I go arrest him in support of the rules. I will say deformation of character. I go arrest him. From arrest, I will summon him for Ayelala. Say the lie when he lie against my ex, make come swear. Nothing say I don't. Just wait. 5-10 years to come, case will see they come for this woman head for branching my life with progress, trying to crush me. Now me go help and do this case. It be like you don't understand. This driver case now, I go arrest the driver. Then I arrest her, then the bailer, they will give her a yellow last summer for them. Say he lie against my ex. When they use police arrest me, now they cry for her. When he carry my thief, my document, now they cry for her. Now I never start with her. Now go cry tire. Now go cry broad for her matter. Now go cry broad for her matter. Thank God Nfess push me. When I go push and go for, I will push and again go for. I will push until he enter that gutter, that hole. Now soon tire. Driver and his wife fight come here. His wife said, this is what my husband told me about you. Since my husband also can't despoil my name here, waiting I tell my husband secretly, can't tell us, so that they will drive you here, drive her here. Now that one verse, talk waiting your husband tell her. Can you imagine that somebody will lie against me or they look at matter just they look at they watch them for CCTV camera. He not even say, driver, why you lie against me? He keep quiet so that driver no will talk more. She did not make so that driver no will talk more. That woman did not make. And this is my first time in Nigeria since the thing happened. It was when I left last year. Between January and February, now this thing happened. I say even though it take me 10 years to come, una must confront una self. Alright, if you message me on WhatsApp, go back to the message I want to drop and pray for whosoever that need prayer. Bye for now. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man, bro. When you call me on WhatsApp, I will drop this video. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man, bro. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man.